I am S. Khadija Begum, handling chemistry in the school. Good morning. Today we are going to learn about types of chemical reactions. There are 4 types of chemical reactions, and they are: number 1 is combination reaction, number 2 is decomposition reaction, and number 3 is displacement reaction, and number 4 is double decomposition or double displacement reaction. Today particularly we are going to learn in the practicals about the fourth type of reaction, namely double decomposition or double displacement reaction. The best example for this type of reaction is, what are the substances we are going to take for this example is lead nitrate solution and potassium iodide solution. Okay, double decomposition in lead nitrate we have 2 different types. Lead is one type of element and nitrate is a radical, isn't it? And here also you have 2 types, namely potassium and iodide. Here what happens in double decomposition is this lead nitrate will react with this potassium iodide and one will displace the other element. Lead will come in the place of potassium and potassium will displace the lead. Okay, so let us see with the reaction now. Now we have taken lead nitrate in a beaker. Take approximately 20 ml of lead nitrate. What is the name? We are going to take lead nitrate solution in a beaker, approximately 20 ml. Okay, and we are going to take potassium iodide in a test tube, approximately 5 ml. This is 5 ml approximately. Okay, and we are going to add this 5 ml of potassium iodide in the solution of lead nitrate slowly. See what happens. See what is the precipitate we have obtained? Yellow color precipitate. What is precipitate? The solution which is insoluble in water. Okay, now why you have got this yellow precipitate? Because lead has displaced what? Potassium. So what is the reaction now? Lead nitrate plus potassium iodide. Now it has been displaced as lead iodide and potassium nitrate. So today we have learned one example for double decomposition or double displacement reaction. Can you understand? Do you have any doubts? No. Sweta, you tell me, what is the type of chemical reaction we learned today?
Double reaction, double displacement reaction.
Okay, very good. What is the example for this reaction now we learned?
Lead nitrate plus potassium iodide.
What is the product we got?
Lead iodine. Lead iodine.
Lead iodide
Solution plus big.
Any other students ready to give the answer? Rakesh, come this side. Example we have learned, tell me with the equation. At least the name you tell.
Lead iodide plus potassium iodide. Potassium zinc.
What you have taken? Potassium here?
Potassium nitrate.
Nitrate, very good. Give him a clap. This is our chemistry laboratory. We have a big laboratory with so many apparatus. We have apparatus more than required. Very simple experiments have been carried out for 10th standard, and for 12th standard we have difficult experiments to be carried out. Of salts in our lab. We have all the solutions needed for the chemical reactions. It is a comfortable lab for us. So many schools don't have a very big lab for chemistry, but we have. We are lucky enough to have this lab. When they come to the lab, really they enjoy the practicals. More than the theory classes, when they come to the chemistry lab particularly, they enjoy learning because they are very free to learn in the practical classes. So they enjoy learning. What is the difference between your classroom learning and lab learning?
I really enjoy learning when I come to the lab.
When the class we are not free. Anytime we are studying, but in lab we are very enjoyable.
When we come to the lab, we can grasp things all.
The lessons are very bored, but the practical is very enjoyable.
How do you feel about the lab?
I feel very happy in lab because in class we read only the theory, but in the lab we know activities from the experiments by doing the practical.
Have you understood the experiment that we did now?
Yes, I will like the physical lab.
Have you understood the experiment that we did now?
Yes, I will understand.
What type of experiment do you understood now? What type of experiment have you understood now?
A double displacement reaction.
Feel about the experiment.
After I come this lab, I see many.
What do you feel about the experiment?
I am very enjoyable and interest me seeing.
Okay.
After I come this lab, I see many chemicals and we eagerly learn chemistry now. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.